However, in this video, we'll be going through approximation estimation, and I'm going to do some basic rounding off ideas. So these are things that you've done in primary school. So we're going to revise the thing called placings. So first of all, we have this number 3,129.824. Right. So first of all, of course, the number 3, the digit 3, is in the thousands place, followed by the 1 digit being in the hundreds place, the 2 in the tens place, and a 9 in the ones place. So over here, what we have is the decimal point, and that separates the ones place with the 10th place with the th at the back, and your 2 followed by after the 8 is your 100th place, and of course your 4 is your in the 1000th place. Right. So currently this number, it stands as a number with 3 decimal places. Right, 3 decimal places. So just look at these numbers, the number of digits after the decimal point. Yeah, right. So in next section, we'll look at the various ways we can round the same number off to different placings. Right. So for example, we want to round it off to the hundredths place. One way to phrase it is to the nearest hundred. The nearest hundred. So what we have here will be, look at the number again. If we look at this number, we're going to look at the number that is slightly lower than the hundreds place, which is the tens place, right? So if you look at number 2, it will tell us to round down. Let's go down, and you'll get, remember your approximation sign, 3100. That is to your nearest hundred. Right, next, if there is to run off to the nearest 10, in this case, you have to look at the ones place, and the ones place will tell you to round up. In this case, you get 3,130. Right, so the nearest tens place. Next, if you have to look at the same number again, and they tell you to round up to the nearest integer, which is actually just a whole number, you get same number again, and this time you look at the number before that, which is the first decimal place, which is 8, and it will tell you to round upwards. In this case, you can't round it upwards without affecting the 9, so this 9 will be transferred over again to your 2. So we approximate to the nearest integer in the 3130 again. Only difference is that this answer is to the nearest integer. Excuse me, this is the nearest 10. Excuse me, nearest 10, and this is the nearest integer. Last example, if we were to run off this number to the nearest, in this case, no need to word nearest, you just write 2 decimal places. We have following value, 3129.824. Same thing here, look at your third decimal place, and it will tell you to round down, and you get the following answer, you get 3129.82, and you write down 2 dp. Right? That's it. Thank you so much.